got some very exciting news. Madeline, do you want to tell them?
Having a baby.
So that's right. So we're gonna be parents. I'm really excited. I'm a little nervous. How you feeling, Madeline?
Nervous.
All right. So it's my first child, her first child, our first baby. When's the baby due?
December 26th.
So we got ways to go. Today we're actually on the way to my parents' house because today is Mother's Day. And babe, what are we gonna do?
Gonna surprise his mom and tell her that we're having a baby.
So we're gonna get everything on camera to see what mom reaction is gonna be to us having a baby.
So we got her this Mother's Day card and we put a little scratch off lottery ticket inside. And she's gonna scratch it off and it's a winner. And when she scratches this, it says we're having a baby.
It's gonna be priceless to see the reaction on her face. What else did we get?
We got his sister, Alicia, a little onesie to surprise her.
My little sister, she's 17 years old, so she's gonna be an auntie. So we got her a little gift too.
Auntie's bestie.
So we're about to hit the road, about to go to my parents' house so we can get this reaction.
Mom, you're the best. Aww, lucky sevens. Just wanted you to know how much your love and support mean to me. I'm lucky to be your son. Oh, thank you. Man, get out of here. I already know what this is.
What?
Scratch the dollar signs.
You gotta scratch the dollar signs first.
Get 3 sevens in a row and win the prize. See, I watch too much YouTube that I know what this is. What? Wait, what? Is this for real?
What's it say?
Is this for real?
Happy Mother's Day.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
What? Show you yours.
Oh my
What
God!
does it say? I'm gonna cry.
Oh my God!
This picture's true. Hold on. Okay,
Oh my God!
Say hello to the camera, because we got all
Oh my God! Oh my God!
I have my first ultrasound on Tuesday.
Dude, you're having a kid, dude? Like, part of me is happy, and another part is like, dude, I'm gonna be a grandmother?
No.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God. You know what I thought it was? I thought it was saying I want fake money. I watch too much YouTube for that. Oh my goodness.
About to be a grandma.
Oh my
About to
goodness.
be a mommy. Auntie Alicia. What you got? What you got? Oh, snap.
It's just a lot to take in.
Wait, can I teach him how to do this?
Get that off of me.